So let's try solving for this problem. Solutions to differential equations. Verify that y of x, or the function of y, which is x raised to negative 3 over 2, is a solution to the differential equation 4x squared y double prime plus 12xy prime plus 3y is equal to 0. So, ang gagawin natin na solution dito is kunin natin yung ating differential equation na 4x squared y double prime plus 12xy prime plus 3y is equal to 0. So, kung napapansin nyo, kailangan natin nung second derivative at nung first derivative. So, saan natin siya kukunin? Kukunin natin siya dito sa function. From our function that y from function natin na y of x is equals to x raised to negative 3 halves. Ito yan. Itong function na to. So, i-derive natin ito. So, therefore, drop natin yung y of x. X is equals to negative 3 over 2. So, i-derive natin siya. Y prime is equals to, diba? Recall that the derivative ng u raised to n is equals to n u raised to n minus 1 du. So, diba? Kung babalikan natin yung sa differential calculus natin. Yung derivative nito is in this format since power formula to. So, ang mangyayari is yung negative 3 over 2 natin is bababa times x raised to negative 3 over 2 minus 1 since n is equals to negative 3 over 2. Then, magma-minus 1 tayo. And then, ayan. Since naka-y prime na to, ito na yung derivative natin. Okay. So, yan yung magiging first derivative natin. So, simplify lang natin using calculator yung negative 3 over 2 minus 1. Lalabas is negative 5 over 2. Ayan. So, therefore, y prime natin is equals to negative 3 over 2 times x raised to negative 5 over 2. Ito yung first derivative. And we will use this first derivative to substitute dun sa equation natin na first derivative dito. Pero kailangan pa natin ng second derivative. So, hanapin natin ulit yung second derivative by deriving again itong first derivative natin. So, for the second derivative, derive natin siya. Y double prime is equals to the derivative nitong negative 3 over 2. Okay? Derive natin. So, same constant, baba natin yung negative 5 over 2, di ba ito? Bababa yan dyan, so magmo-multiply na sila. Times x raised to negative 5 over 2 minus 1. Yan. Ay, sorry. Negative 5 over 2 minus 1. So, therefore, our second derivative, multiply natin yung negative 3 over 2 times negative 5 over 2. That is 15 over 4. So, positive 15 over 4 x. Meanwhile, itong negative 5 over 2 minus 1, diba that is negative 7 over 2. Naka-raise sa negative 7 over 2 yung x natin. Negative 7 over 2. Ayan. So, yan. Ito na yung second derivative. And ito naman, is gagamitin natin para i-substitute natin dito. So, substitute natin, what will happen? This will now become 4x squared times itong second derivative natin na 15 over 4 x raised to negative 7 over 2 plus 12x times yung y prime natin, papalitan nitong negative 3 over 2 x raised to ito, negative 5 over 2 plus 3, itong y, papalitan din natin ng function natin na to. Since sabi natin, y is equals to x raised to negative 3 over 2, so dapat mag-equal siya sa 0 para ma-verify natin na tama yung solution ng function natin. So, simplify natin. Etong 4 magka-cancel out. So, ang matitira na lang is 15 x squared times x raised to negative 7 over 2 plus 12 over 2 is 6. Diba? And 6, palitan natin ng kulay. Yan, 12 over 2 is 6. And 6 times 3 is 18. May negative dito. So, dapat ito negative. Negative 18x times x raised to negative 5 over 2 plus 3x raised to negative 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Then, i-simplify natin. Diba? Pag the same yung base, ang ginagawa natin is ina-add natin yung exponent. Ayan. So, same naman yung base. So, magiging 15 x raised to 2 minus 7 over 2 minus 18x raised to 1 minus 5 over 2 plus 3x raised to negative 3 over 2 is equal to 0. Ayan. Now, kung papansinin nyo, eto nga, if we let x is equals to 0, magsi-0 na to, diba? So, therefore, 0 is now equal to 0. Mabe-verify natin na solution yung eto, yung x raised to negative 3 over 2 dito. Pero simplify pa natin. So, 2 minus 7 over 2 is equals to negative 3 over 2. So, magiging 15 x raised to negative 3 over 2 minus 18 x. Okay? Yun naman na 1 minus 5 over 2 is negative 3 over 2 pa rin. X raised to negative 3 over 2 plus 3x raised to negative 3 over 2 is equals to 0. So, same yung variable. Pwede nating i-add. Magiging 18x raised to negative 3 over 2 minus ito, 18x raised to negative 3 over 2 is equal to 0. So, kung napansin nyo, pag minus natin tong dalawa, parehas sila 0. 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, we can verify na yung y is equals to x raised to negative 3 over 2 is a solution to this function. Okay? So, ayusin lang natin ito. Ipantay lang natin dito. So, ganyan tayo mag-solve ng ating differential equation. That's how we find for the solution of the differential equation kung solution ba siya or not yung differential equation. Okay, another example. Verify that e raised to negative 2x is equals to y is a function or is a solution to the differential to the equation y triple prime minus 3y prime plus 2y is equal to 0. Okay? So, same solution. Yung mga given natin is we have a function na y is equals to e raised to negative 2x. So, ito daw yung gagamitin natin na pang-verify ng DE natin na y triple prime minus 3y prime plus 2y is equal to 0. So, we need the first derivative and the third derivative. So, this is a third order differential equation. So, hanapin natin yan. Okay? So, kunin muna natin yung first derivative nito. So, y prime is equals to, anong derivative ng, remember that the derivative ng e raised to u is equals to e raised to u du. Ayan. Need pa natin na i-derive yung u. So, if u natin dito is 2x, kopyahin natin yung e raised to negative 2x, and i-derive natin itong negative 2x, di ba ang derivative niya is negative 2. So, therefore, our first derivative, y prime is equals to negative 2 e raised to negative 2x. Yan yung ating first derivative. Derive ulit natin yan para makuha natin yung second derivative. Y double prime is equals to, kopya, negative 2 e raised to negative 2x times, multiply ulit natin ng derivative ng negative 2x. Since yan yung du natin. Ayan, derivative nito, ayan. So, negative times negative, y double prime natin will become positive 4 e raised to negative 2x. Then, para makuha natin yung third derivative, y triple prime, that is equal to 4 e raised to negative 2x, kopya, times derivative nitong negative 2x, which is negative 2. Okay? So, ang y triple prime natin or the third derivative is equal to negative 8 e raised to negative 2x. Yan. Yan yung y triple prime. Then, we will substitute this one and this one to our equation. So, what will happen sa equation na to? So, yung given natin na y triple prime minus 3y prime plus 2y is equal to 0. E yung y, papalitan natin nito. Yan. Yan yung mga ipapalit natin sa ating function. Yung y triple prime is equals to negative 8 e raised to negative 2x minus 3. Yung y prime is negative 2 e raised to negative 2x plus 2. Ano yung y natin? Which is e raised to negative 2x. Ayan. Dapat mag-i-equal siya sa 0. So, simplify. Ito magiging negative 8 e raised to negative 2x. Negative times negative plus 6. Yan, di ba? Positive na siya. E raised to negative 2x plus 2 e raised to negative 2x is equal to 0. Itong dalawa pwede natin i-add. 6 plus 2 magiging 8. So, therefore, negative 8 e raised to negative 2x is equals, plus 8 e raised to 2x is equal to 0. Ayan. And from that, na-verify natin, ito magka-cancel out, magiging 0 is equal to 0. Yun, na-verify natin na yung dalawang equation, pag kinuha natin yung third derivative, substitute dun sa equation, mag-i-equal siya sa 0. Okay? So, yan yung different solutions to differential equation.